Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to permanently change the default working directory in PowerShell. And we do that by making a script that runs every time PowerShell runs that set the new default working directory. We see that on this computer, this is the default working directory. And in this video, I'm going to make a script that changes this to this as the new default working directory. But first, we have to make sure that our computer can run scripts. So we type get-execution policy and then we hit enter. And we see that the execution policy is set to restricted. That means that the computer cannot run scripts. So we have to change the execution policy to remote signed. And to do that, we have to open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. And then we type set-execution policy space -execution policy space remote signed, and then we hit enter, and then we type A and then we hit enter. The execution policy is now changed to remote signed. We see that by typing get-execution policy and then we hit enter. The computer can now run scripts. We are now going to create the script, so we open Windows PowerShell ICE as an administrator. And then we specify what path shall be the new default working directory. And then we save this script as profile.ps1, and then we save that file into this path. When we now open PowerShell again, we will see that the new default working directory is set to C.